Marianne Binetti. I'm shaking up my spray paint because it's a beautiful summer evening and these flowering onions or alliums here are all done blooming and they've turned brown and dry. But I'm going to extend the color and fool people a bit and have some fun and be creative in my garden because I'm going to actually spray paint my flowering alliums. So I'm using a piece of newspaper, put it around the collar just to keep this spray paint from going all over. Now you see you could do it dark blue, you could do it orange, you could do any color you want. I think this light lavender kind of looks the most realistic. This helps them last longer in the garden and adds color. And I'm just going to keep on spray painting these and do a whole row. And then I'm going to have alliums with color all summer long. Now spray painting flowers, I know some people are going to freak out about this, but these are already tried. And I think it just helps them stay a little bit more together. I'll leave some that are naturally brown so that the seeds can be available to the birds and things. But hey, it's your garden. Have fun. And there's a little bit of a garden artist in everyone. This has been Marianne Binetti with Easy Answers for Great Gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.